strategy that is making money in the Forex market among our private students. And I'm just going to share this with their permission, okay? But before I proceed, let's say a word of prayer. I'm a believer. Father, in the belief of the power of the Almighty, I want to pray that the knowledge I'm going to share with the students, with the masses and the universe, that whosoever applies this knowledge shall become successful in the market. I pray this in the belief of the power of the Almighty. Amen. Thank you, guys. Welcome to this webinar. It's going to be pretty short, and I'm just going to show you one technique that you can take and run with it, guys, and start making money and stop blowing those accounts, because I am sick and tired of people calling me, DMing me, sending me messages that they have just blown their $1,000 account, $10,000 account. I have had students who have blown $100,000 accounts, okay? Now, it doesn't matter whether you're a seasoned trader or a newbie or a beginner, blowing accounts is part of the game, okay? There are no guarantees that. Let me put a disclaimer here. Whatever I'm going to share with you guys is not financial advice, okay? I am not a financial advisor. Anybody in the Smart Wolf Club is not a financial advisor. Whatever we share is our experience and things that we do every day. Okay, some of us have been online since 1998. We have a lot of coaches from all over the world. Tajimoto is on here from Tokyo, Japan. He's been with us for over 15 years. Very, very successful. Crypto trading, Forex trader, stock options, binary options trader, digital marketing, anything online. We've been there, we've done that, we've gone through it, and let's share our knowledge with you guys. During the pandemic, touched close to our hearts, and we decided to share this knowledge with the masses, okay? So you're a beneficiary of our kindness. Our hearts were touched by the pandemic because we saw a lot of suffering. People lost their businesses, their incomes, because of the closures, the restrictions all over the world. We've been everywhere. We've been to so many countries in the world. Recently, we were in Rio de Janeiro. Down Rio, we have one of our coaches, Rodrigo's. He's been with us for over 13 years. Very, very successful. And we were training his group on how to make money online using what we call digital marketing, trading stocks, crypto, the in thing, okay? Crypto, XRP, stuff like that, okay? So if you want to learn any of these, and you're not yet subscribed to this channel, the Smart Wolf Club channel, it's a new channel. We just started. We just hit 1,000 subscribers this week, okay? Thank you, guys, for those of you who have subscribed. And those of you who are going to watch this on YouTube and are not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell notification, so if we share another private training with you, you can be notified. We do that every week, 2-3 times a week, so you can learn how to make money online, and we teach so many things. We coach our students on so many things, okay? Our philosophy is you should have at least a minimum 6 sources of income, okay? One source could be trading Forex, could be trading stocks, could be crypto, staking crypto, could be digital marketing, you know, YouTube, where you put an advertisement on YouTube to sell some of your services, could be your own, or you could just be an affiliate of a product that you like or a service that you like, and you get paid on commission, things like that. So we teach you all that, and it's very, very simple. And sometimes we know some of our students are very busy. We have students on here right now on this webinar. There's almost 1,000 of you from all over the world, okay? Princess is on here from Berlin, Germany. She's been with us for over 12 years, one of our coaches. Rosemary is on here with us from New York, New York. She's been with us for over 12 years. Josephine is on here from Sydney, Australia, over 12 years. Malemala, he is on here from Cape Town, South Africa, over 13 years. Omoses is on here from Lagos, Nigeria, over 14 years. Jose, Sacramento, California, in the United States. Ahmed, Dubai, UAE. How are you, my brother, my neighbor? Right here. Dubai, okay, UAE. Many other people have been with us. I mean, there's like hundreds of coaches. We have Anne-Marie from Toronto, Canada, been with us for over 8 years. Mary from Vancouver, Canada, over 10 years. I mean, guys, I mean, the list is endless, okay? Mr. Singh, how can I forget Mr. Singh from Bombay, India, over 15 years with us, doing the same thing. Recently, we were in Bombay and we're teaching young men and women how to trade binary options and Forex and stocks. And it was amazing. We were almost crashing the Wi-Fi in that hotel. So come and join us, guys. Make sure the links are going to be in the description, okay? Join the Smart Wolf Club community so you become a member. And make sure you join some of our groups. If you like Telegram, we have a Telegram group. Go and join, okay? Ask your questions. If you like WhatsApp, we have a WhatsApp group. If you like Facebook, we have a Facebook group. You like Instagram, follow us on Instagram. And if you like one-on-one coaching, hand-holding, because I know some people do well with that, coaching, okay? We do that. We are very busy individuals, but we have dedicated our time to help at least 1,000 people get to their $1 million mark, okay? So guys, there's an email address. You can just send an email to to that info@smartwolfclub.com, and one of our coaches is going to get back to you. It may take a few days or 3 days or 4 days, but we are busy. But we'll eventually get back to you and get you started. Now, on the subject line, you can say one-on-one coaching. So we know you want one-on-one coaching. Now, is it very cheap? No, it's not very cheap because our time is extremely valuable and most of our coaches are extremely very busy. We have Mr. Baker. He's been one of our coaches for 17 years from Atlanta, Georgia, okay, in the United States. So if you are any one of our coaches who have Wuhan from Singapore, she's been with us for over 14 years. Wuhan, doing very well. And Wuhan does this part-time. Her profession is, she's an engineer, computer engineer, very, very successful. But she does this part-time and she donates the money to charity. Whatever she does, she donates everything to her favorite charity. We have a lot of students who are doctors and they love what they do, but they do this part-time, and whatever they make, some of them donate it to charity. You can do that too. Okay, you can do this for your church, for your local fire station, for your local favorite charity, or for a needy friend or a needy family, and you can help them learn these techniques, and you can share this with the people that you care about so they can learn these techniques that we share here. Make sure you subscribe. That's very important. We want to grow this channel to thousands of subscribers, right? We just hit 1,000. Our next goal is get to 2,000, okay, before the end of the month, and you guys can make it happen. If you watch this, share this with 5 people and make sure they subscribe and hit the bell notification, like, and share this video so YouTube can do its magic. Okay, with that said, let's begin, guys. All right, so I'm going to show you here a very simple technique that I was just teaching one of my students, and she couldn't stop blowing her accounts until we met a few days ago, and we have set up this. Now, this may not make sense to some of you, but let me take you through this. This is very simple, and this is a technique that works day in, day out for us, okay? Even though I said there are no guarantees in the market, okay? One day you come in here and you can lose. That happens, but you make sure you minimize your risk and you make sure you win more than you lose. And also don't trade monies that you cannot afford to lose, okay? Always go into these investments, these businesses with the money that you can afford to lose, such that if you lose the money, it does not affect your way of life, doesn't affect your rent, doesn't affect your car payment, doesn't affect your school, doesn't affect you going to school or paying for your essentials, your medical and things like that. Because people get excited when they see stuff like this, where there's money making, think you can get rich overnight. There's nothing like that. Okay, guys, it's going to need some practice on your part. It's going to need some studying and learning these strategies before you become successful. And that's why my student is going through this, practicing, and of course, taking small trades, small risks, lot sizes. If you're in Forex, this is a Forex setup. So if you are a master in Forex, you know when I talk about the lot sizes, how you manage your risks, leverage, margins, okay? When you talk about stocks and futures, when you talk about margin trading, okay? So you minimize your risks by using less leverage, small lot sizes, okay? And you get those small wins and you compound those and you grow your account by compounding. Okay, Rome was not built in one day, guys. And most people blow their accounts because they get a little overzealous, overexcited, and they get carried away and they risk more than their accounts can sustain, and boom, you blow. You have $1,000 account and you're trading a one lot size, a standard lot size. There's no way you can trade the same similarly, because somebody who has $100,000 to trade with, and you have $1,000 to trade with, somebody has 10,000, your lot sizes have to be, different. Okay. All right. So that's what we're talking about here, guys. And you want to get those small wins and celebrate your small wins. Okay. Just a few pips here and there. Target small number of pips every day, so you can compound your account. And very soon you'll realize that you moved from $1,000 to 2,000 to 3,000 to 4,000 to 5,000 to 10,000, where you can start trading a bigger lot size. And then from there, you can grow it to 20,000, 25,000, and up to 100,000, where you can now start trading with the standard lot size. You know what I mean, guys? So this setup is very simple. And if you have not watched my previous video, I'm probably going to link the video in the description here. You can go and watch. We had a whole detailed training about this strategy here. It works like charm. It is simply drawing triangles. Okay, and we are using the pair we are using here is the GBP USD. This works very, very well with this strategy. Also, the NAS 100. Okay, the US 100. This is an index. You can trade that index using this strategy too. We have also tested it on the VIX. Okay, you know what that is, guys, futures. Again, you can use that to trade this using this strategy. Okay, so basically here are the things I'm using. You can see I've favorite a few things here. We have, this is the, you guys can see it here, is a Fibonacci retracement. This is right here. You need the Fib, so it gives you your take profits and your stop losses. You can calculate those using the Fibonacci lines. And of course, they are drawing the triangles. We are using just this regular trend line here. So basically what you do is you come here and you look at points. Okay, let me just remove this Fibonacci. You can see you draw this. Let me remove the Fib here. You can see it. So I've drawn two triangles here. You can see the one with the yellow lines, and then there's the one with the blue lines. Okay. So basically what we are doing is when the candles, this is a 4-hour, okay, and now I can do this on the 15 minutes too, and you can see on the 15 minutes we have the yellow lines and the blue triangle. Okay, so let me explain using the 15 minutes. And now this one here, you can use the RSI, or what we call the divergence indicator. And when you look at the settings, I just modified my setting here. Time frame, I'm putting 4 hours. Okay, all right. So that's the only thing that you're going to change here. It's the RSI. Instead of putting 15 minutes like that, I'm just going to put, okay, see, look at the 15 minutes. It looks choppy, really up and down, right? So I don't want that. I'm going to use the hourly, the 4-hour time frame, okay? So you come to the settings here, and the time frame here is 4 hours. So that's the only difference, guys. All right, so in a case like this, you can see when the divergence is down here, you'll be looking for a call option. Not really call, but I'm saying you want to buy, okay? You want to buy the British US dollar. When this is down here, and you can see this is all the way down here, so there's a likelihood that it's going to go up, okay? So when you start seeing the green candles forming, going up, that tells you it's an upward trend. But we're not going to get the trade. We're not going to get into this trade until it follows our rules here. We have the triangles that are guiding when we enter the market and when we exit the market. So once you draw the triangle, okay, and it meets the criteria, okay, the criteria is you're going to test to the Fibonacci to see if you can hit take profit. So you can see I'm moving the Fib, and we start from here where the candle crosses the upper line of the triangle, the upper or the lower line. So in this case, we're looking at the upper line. You can see this candle here, the green candle here closed above the triangle, the blue triangle, the upper line there. All right, so we put our 1 there, and then we look at the 1.5. Okay, so the 1.5 is right here. So it didn't really hit the 1.5. It did not. Okay, so this does not meet our criteria. So we have to look for a section that actually hits our take profit. So we come here and we look at the lower line, the blue. You can see this candle, the red candle closed below. And if you look at we started from the 0, okay, the 0 line here. and below it hits our take profit right there at 0.5. Okay, so we didn't even need to test this. By eyeballing this, you can see that it actually hits take profit. So our triangle actually meets the criteria. So what are we going to do here? So we're going to wait until the market opens, because the market is closed now, and see how it behaves on this triangle. Okay, so if it continues going up and then it comes back in here into this zone, okay, this is the testing zone here, between the area between the two lines of the triangle. There's a blue line, upper line, and the lower line. This is our testing zone here. So if it comes back in here, we see the direction that it takes. If it goes and breaks up here and closes above the blue line, then we can take a buy right there. So we're going to move the Fibonacci to that level. And let's say it closed here. So we can bring the 1 right there. Okay, let's say it crossed here. Okay, right here. See where I'm pointing? If it crossed there and the candle closes right there, we could use that as our entry point. Okay, and our take profit is going to be right there. And our stop loss is going to be the previous low, which is way, way down here. Okay, we are not worrying about the risk to reward ratio at this moment because we are beginners. Okay, I'm training a beginner, so I'm not going into overwhelming them with all those. But for our advanced students, we show them how you can tighten your stop losses. Okay, at this point, all we need to do is to compound our account, because we're starting with a very small account of probably $100, and we want to grow that to at least 1,000. And then our next goal would be 2,000, 3,000, like that, until we get to 10,000 before the end of the year. So we can have a bigger account where we can start trading the full, where we can start making some money that makes sense. Okay, because really with $1,000 investment, you don't expect a lot. Okay, the market can quickly eat that away and snatch that from you and blow your account if you start not following risk management 101. Okay, guys, so that's it for the Forex training today. For those of you who really need a lot of hand-holding and coaching, send us an email, okay? And if you want to just enjoy these free trainings on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel, okay, guys? We want to grow this channel to at least 2,000 subscribers, guys. Last week, we just got to 1,000 subscribers. It's a new channel, and YouTube is doing its thing. We want you guys to, help us grow this channel so we can offer this free education, okay? We can start helping our brothers and sisters learn how to make money online, because every time people ask me, my neighbors, people see me traveling, people see, how do you make money online? And I tell them it's very simple. You just need to learn some of these skills, and it's not rocket science. We are not the smartest people on earth. We just put the effort, that's all. And we got somebody to show us, and now we are showing you guys. We are teaching students privately, many of them, okay? And some of them are giving us permission to share this training. This is my student right here, Martha. I'm training her, and she allows me. She pays a lot of money for my one-on-one, but she allows me to share some of these trainings with you. We cannot possibly share all of them because we don't. These videos will be so many hours, but the few key points that we share is that to show you the possibility, to keep you knowing that you can actually do it. There's nothing special with the guys who are making money online, Forex, trading Forex, binary option stocks. You see all these guys on Instagram sitting on Lamborghinis, rented ones, real ones, and you wonder, how are these guys making millions? Well, some of them, they don't tell you what they've gone through. They've gone through a lot of training, or they're working with gurus who are teaching them how to, working with coaches who are helping them, do this stuff, okay? Now, we can even show you how to set some of the bots that can do the training for you automatically, yeah? Okay, it might cost more money, but we show you how to get the bots. If you are a really busy professional and you don't have time to do the trading yourself, you can have somebody else do the trading for you. They're very smart people. We've traveled all over the world. Mr. Singh is from here, from India, very smart individuals we met down there. Not long ago, we were in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Not long ago, we were in Mexico City, okay? My friend Manuela, with her group, we were training them how to trade Forex, and you can see people making a lot of money, very smart individuals. So you can leverage that, outsource this and have somebody do that. And we can show you how to do that, okay? Or you can have AI, what we call artificial intelligence, Chat GPT and the rest. You can create a bot that takes the trades for you when you're not there, closes the trades, takes the trades, enters the market, and exits the market based on the data or conditions that you put for the bot. And we do that, okay? So guys, let's not be lazy. Let's get busy. Let's make this year our year. Our goal is to get at least 1,000 of you making at least $1 million a year online, hands almost passive, as passive as possible, so that you're not bogged down to your computer 10, 20, 15 hours a day. No, we don't want that, okay? We want it to be passive so you can enjoy your free time, your freedom, so you can do things that you like, volunteer, charity, whatever you like to do. If you're a doctor or if you're a nurse, you can help the people that you like. If you're a man of God, you can preach to the people that you want to, if you like to, things like that. We're talking about freedom, okay? So this is what we teach our students in the Smart Wolf Club. You become a member of the Smart Wolf Club. The link is in the description. Go ahead and join and hit us up on the email, info@smartwolfclub.com. Send an email saying one-on-one coaching if you are interested. And we only deal with serious individuals, okay? Tire kickers, no, we don't. We don't have much time to waste. Okay, so let's go now, switch some gears. This was Forex. So I just showed you how you can compound your account, start from $100 to $1,000 to $2,000 and to $10,000 before the end of the year, okay? So in less than 4 months, you could be trading a $10,000 account using this simple strategy and growing your account slowly by slowly. So this platform, guys, somebody is asking on the chat, what is this platform? This platform you're seeing here is TradingView, okay? It's free to get an account with TradingView. I put the link in the description. Go ahead and open a free account and you can trade. You can start chatting this. You can start looking at the market. This is GBP USD. You can draw those triangles, just joining the highest point to the next, the highest point to another one, and draw the triangle and make sure the triangle touches at least 2 points before the test. See, like you see, this was our test right here. So make sure the lower line touches 2 points and the upper line touches 2 points before the test. Okay, this is just a very simple criteria. If you follow those simple rules, my friend, you can make money out of this market. Okay, it works every day, worked yesterday, worked 10 years ago, it worked 20 years ago, and it still works today. We just set up this morning for my student and she already made over $60 on a very small $1,000 account today, just today, okay, using the same strategy. So let's switch gears, guys. This is for the guys who are asking me about binary options. So I'm going to go over here to the demo account, okay? And I'm going to show you how you can easily make $1,000 trading binary options using a very simple strategy here. This strategy has the moving average 20 and the moving average 200. Okay, the white one is the 200, the green one is the 20. Okay, so now like that, we're just gonna jump in there with $100 and let's see if we're gonna make any money. I want to teach you something, guys. Okay, so this is 1 minute. Okay, so it's in the money. It's still in the money. So we're gonna make money here really easily. Okay, so guys, there's no guarantee, but it looks like we're in the money. Okay, so we just put $100. We're gonna make $73, 173. As well, we don't know yet. There's 24 seconds to go, 20 seconds to go. Hopefully it will maintain, but there's a lot of pressure from the top, so maybe we might lose this. Oh yes, looks like we're gonna lose it because there's so much pressure from the top. See what I'm telling you, guys? The market can just change on you just like that. There we go, there we go, there we go. Really close. Oh, we made it. Guys, we made it. That was so close right there. This one here. We made it. Okay. So we made it. Really close. But we made it. Okay. So basically what we are doing here is So we put $100, we made 173, and you can see the account is growing. Our goal is to make $1,000 before we call it quit. So let's get another pair. Okay, so here again, if the candles cross this green line, okay, and it closes below the green line, then we're gonna go with the sell option here. We're gonna push the red. Now, if it crosses and goes up, like you can see this candle here, it crossed and closed above the green line, then we should have come in with the call option or the buy. Okay, let's see if this one is going to close below this line. If it does, then we're going to jump with the sell option. Okay, even though the candles are way above the 200, ideally we should be looking for the buy, the green, the buy here, because that means it's an upward trend. Okay, so if we take a call option, I mean a sell option here, we are risking a lot. But it's going down, so I've jumped in with the sell option. Let's cross our fingers. This is a risky trade, but I think it does look like you can see even the 20 is bending down, pointing down, right? So we put $100 and we have a potential of making 192. So that is 92% profit, guys. So already, guys, we've made 73 plus 92. Okay, our goal is to make 1,000 before we call it a day. Okay, and we have 28 seconds to go, guys. We have 28 seconds to go. We have 28 seconds to go, and I am going to shoot this for Instagram, guys. Let me see. Do I have the time? Let's see if we have Instagram pulled up here. Maybe we don't have the time. Okay, yeah, don't have the time. Okay. What did we do? Lose or win? We made it, guys. Did you see, guys? We made that. Okay. We made it. Okay. This account has grown. You can see these two trades. We just took these two trades and they have won. They're in the money. You can see these two trades here. So that's already 165 made in less than 2 minutes. Each trade is 1 minute. So that's 2 minutes. Okay. All right. So let's see if this one closes above this line, we're going to jump with this call option. Very simple strategy, guys. So somebody is asking me, what is this green line? Okay, the green line is this one here. SMA, it's a type of a moving average, and the period is 20. SMA, the style is the one that I put green. You can see here. Oh, geez, this thing is frozen for now. Guys, my internet is pretty crappy here at the moment. Let's see if we can get our internet moving. It says it's unresponsive. Oh, snap. Okay, there we go. It's back on here. So we missed that because it crossed above and it's already way above. So let's see another. Let's get another pair, a good pair. Okay, there we go. This crossed. We should have jumped in here, but we are late, so let's find another one. There are many opportunities out there, so all you have to do is look. Okay, that one is too far. Let's see. Okay, that one is crossing. Okay, so let's wait and see that. Okay, it's crossing the 200, but will it cross the 20? Because it has to cross the 20 for us to take a trade. 200 just tells us the trend, so we know if we're taking a risky trade or like now, for example, you see the 200 is above, the candles are below the 200. So most likely signifying, this is indicating that it's a downward trend. So we should be looking for more of the sell options, okay? So if the candles cross the 20 going down, then our chances are very high that if we jump in, we're going to make money. And that's why I put the 200 here. Otherwise, we don't need the 200, but just to give us an idea of what's going on in the market. Okay, so like here, this one was a downward trend, but now it's a change of direction. You can see the 20 is pointing up and we're approaching the 200. So in a case like this, you should be at a higher level of winning when you take these call options here. Okay, you want to take trades that lower your risk because you don't want to risk too much of your hard-earned cash, guys. All right, let's come back here and see if we can find a good setup to take some trades. Okay. All right, so this is coming up now. Let's see. If it crosses that, we go in for a call option. All right, let's see. All right, let's go back here and let's favorite some of these. All right, let's see, guys. Let's see. Hey, guys, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's very important that we grow this channel because we are sharing some free information that you can use to make money online. Okay, I do see a lot of people asking me, how can I make money online? You can start with $100. This platform here is Pocket Option. Okay, they trade binary options. You can go ahead and open an account. It's free to open an account. You get a demo account where you're going to practice this skill. You can come and watch this video. Okay, to get the moving averages, you go to this doohickey here. Looks like parallel lines, and it says indicators. You can click that, and now you can pick any indicator here. So the one we are using is this one here, the moving average. So you click that twice, and then you just come to the settings here, and the input is 20 SMA, and the style is that color, green. It doesn't matter. You can use any color. You can use red if you like. See, I just made it red. You can use red. Doesn't matter. I like the green. Okay, so this one we missed it, but it just crossed and it's going up. Okay, we could have jumped in here and made money. Okay, so far we are at 165. Our goal is to make 1,000. Let me see if we can make 1,000, and then we call it a day, guys. And then for those of you who want to be trained one-on-one by one of our coaches or me, anybody in our group, just hit us up. Okay, send us an email. Don't be lazy. Just send an email to info@smartwolfclub.com, and on the subject line, very, very important, because we get thousands of emails from all kinds of viewers, trainees, students, business partners. Just send us an email. Put on the subject line, say one-on-one coaching, one-on-one coaching. Okay, put that on your subject line, one-on-one coaching, and just say your name and what you want and where you're from, and one of us is going to get back to you, and we will get you set up to this training. Okay, one-on-one. You're going to get somebody to train you one-on-one, this strategy here, and many others that we use to make money online. Okay, some of us have been doing this since 1988. Okay, 1998. Okay. All right, so if this one closes above, then we're going to jump for a call option. Okay, let's see. It's 4 seconds to go, 3 seconds, 1, booyah. Okay, let's jump in that one. It's a risky one because this is like a bullish, really big engulfing bullish. So it's likely that we're going to go down and lose, but let's see. The sentiment in the market does show, yes, the bears might come in and push this down, but I strongly believe there's enough push to go up. Let's see. Yeah, it's going up, guys. You can see. So now we're going to make more money. Okay. So we are at 160 something, 165. You're adding this 90 over there, 89, 165 plus 90, that's 250. Let's say 250, okay? 255. 255. Man, there's still time to go. Oh my goodness, it's really close. We could lose this actually, but it doesn't matter. We're still profitable. Oh yes. Oh man. Okay, there you go. We made it. There we go. 189. Okay, so this account is going to get 2,000 very, very soon. Building this account, man. Okay, let's look for another setup. Okay, this one just crossed. We missed that. Okay, let's see if we can find another one. Okay, I'm going to change this back to green. I tend to have better luck with green than red. Let's put that there. And I like the green. There you go. So it's green again. All right, let's see. This one is coming up here, and let's see if it closes above. We're going to just jump in. See how easy that is. So far, we've taken 3 trades today, and you can see they're all in the money, okay? We put 100, we made 189. We put 100, we made 192. We put 100, we made 173. I look for pairs that are paying at least more than 70% because you don't want to risk your money. Okay, so this one is, if it closes above this line, Oh no, it didn't. So we're not going to jump into this one yet. It has to close above the line for us to jump in. Okay. So hopefully this will close above the line, and then we can take a call option here. The green call, not the red. The red is sell. So we're hoping this keeps going up. And you can see the 200 signifies a downward trend. So this would be a risky trade that we're going to be taking if we're going to take a sell, a call option, because it shows this is a downward trend, because they are all below the 200. When the candles are below the 200, that shows it's a downward trend that was going on. But this could just be a change of direction. You can see the 20 SMA moving average MA is already pointing up. Okay, so this was just, by the way, we looked at Forex, and now we are teaching binary, and we teach crypto. Some of our trainings, we will have all the 4 going on, or we teach stocks, we're going to have the 5 going, and we teach digital marketing, the bread and butter, where you can just take a small, simple ad of $10, make $100. You take $100, make $1,000. Take $1,000, make $10,000. Multiplying using simple techniques like YouTube advertising, Google advertising, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and media buying, all those crazy things out there on the internet. We have been there, been done that, okay? And you don't have to do it yourself. We can show you how to outsource to very, very smart individuals and let them do the work for you, and you just count the money in your bank. So right now we are looking at these pairs here, okay? It's OTC time. So I'm trying to see if we can find another setup so we can continue winning. Our goal is to make at least $1,000. We've already made, you can add the profit here, 89, 92 plus 73. That is pure profit, money in our account. In less than, this was a minute trade each. So these are just 3 minutes, okay? Okay, if you add the time that I used to talk and analyze, maybe give it 10 minutes. So if you're making over almost, this is over $200 in 10 minutes, okay? In 1 hour, we could be in thousands of dollars. So you see how easy it is to make money online, guys. Do you see that? Comment below here if you see how easy that is. Let me know, guys. Let me see you guys in the chat box. Let me see ones. Give me ones if you think it's easy. Okay, let me see a 0 if you think it's hard. Okay, I see a lot of ones coming, guys. So most people know that they realize that's easy. But sometimes when you're doing it by yourself, you're second guessing yourself, your mindset is not right, you're so negative, you're surrounded by negative people. So that's why we tell you, come to the Smart Wolf Club. Join the community, okay? The link is in the description. Become a Smart Wolf yourself. Okay, this shoots up here. That's good, and it closes above. So let's jump in. I just did jump in, but it's a very risky trade because, you know, the 200 is above the candles. But I saw this bullish candle here, and I'm thinking it's a change of trend. So I'm hoping that it goes up. That's why I jumped with $100. I didn't jump with a lot of money because I don't want to risk too much. Let's see what happens here. It does look like it's running away from us. You can see it's gone down. Why? Because of the 200. Okay, so we have an explanation. We know why we are losing. It was a very risky trade. Okay, it's extremely risky when the candles are below the 200. Then you'll be looking for more of the sell. Like this one here. If we had jumped into this one, it would have been a sure bet that we make money. This one here, I think this was just a fake out. Okay, to take our money, and you can see that's what they did. They faked us out, and they're going to take our money. Okay, so our profit has shrunk. Boom, but that's part of the game. Okay, you win and lose at the same time. So let's see if we can find a good setup, a good setup for us, and we can jump in. Okay, so these are all going down because the 200 is up here. It's a downward trend, guys. Again, the 200 is down here, so this is an upward trend. Okay. That's still a downward trend. You can see it's really going down. Let's cross some of these. I'm closing some of them because they keep changing the commission, the profit that you can win. All right. I don't see a good setup yet, guys. So let's see. It might be the timing not so good. Okay, here you go. This one just went past us, so we missed that. Okay, so let's stick to one and wait. Let's find one and wait. The one that's closed. No, that's not closed yet. Okay, let's see this one. No, this one is the one that we just lost our money, so we might lose on this one because it's not obeying the rules. Okay, some pairs they're just not good. So let's take that pair off. It's this pair right here. Close that. All right, let's go to this pair. Let's look at that pair. Let's look at that pair. Okay, that one just closed below that candle and it's going down. All right, let's look at that one. Let's look at that one. Okay, that one. Let's look at this one. Okay, so that's crossing. Okay, let's see if it's gonna close above. You can see it behaving funny, but let's see if that's gonna close above. Okay, it didn't close above, so we can't really jump in because you are likely to just lose your money. Okay, so guys, you gotta be really patient with these markets. And to get the right setup, you gotta be patient. The signals have to all align. You can see this is not decided whether it's a change of, okay, it's going up, going down, going up, going down. That's the beauty with the binary options, because it's quick money. Okay, it's either you lose or you win. You get it right, you win. You get it wrong, you lose. They take your money, and people blow their accounts very easily here. So you gotta be careful. You should be trading with a very small percentage of your account. You can see I'm only using $100. Okay, that's like less than 10% of this account. Okay. Normally, I tell my students start with 1%, especially if you're trading real money, your own money. Start with 10. We're doing a demo practice here because I'm teaching my student here. She's very new. She doesn't want to spend any money at the moment, lose any money. So we're doing the demo while she's learning this, and then she's camera shy, so she's not showing her face on the camera, but she's right here looking at this chart. We are sharing the chart, so she's looking at the way the candles are behaving, and let's see if we can find some more. Let's look at this. Let's try those and see if are we getting any closer. Okay, so this one crossed and it's closing below. Okay, so if it closes below, we're going to jump with sell option. But it will be a risky trade because you can see the candles are above the 200, signifying an upward trend. So the probability is higher if we can do a call option going up. Buy. But still, we're going to just go down and see what happens. Okay. Well, it's going up, it's going down. You can see here some type of resistance here. You can see if we put a horizontal line here. Okay, it's going down though. We are in the money, but not for long. We still have 25 seconds to go. Well, it's going down. Okay, so now we are in the money, guys. Because we've broken this line here, some type of support here. I think we've broken that support, so we should be home free here, guys. Yep, I put the line here. You can see this line here. Now let me thicken it. You can see that line. Okay, it's coming back forcefully, so we may lose. Oh, there we go. We made it. Okay. Good. So we recouped our loss and made a profit. Okay, so we touch that line. There we go. And we are still going down. That's good. All right. So now let's look at this. Nothing close by for us to trade. Nothing close, nothing interesting. All right, let's try that. Let's see. That's the Facebook OTC. Okay, let's look at that. Man, okay, let's see. There you go. Nope, they're still going up. Okay, let's see if there's anyone close by. can jump in and take a trade, guys. You don't have to overthink this. It's very simple technique that you can use to make some money, and lots of it if you follow the rules, if you're patient enough. Okay. So guys, I think some people are saying we're going to cut this short. Okay, so there we go. Our goal is to make 1,000. If we sit here for 1 hour, we should be able to do that. You can see we've taken how many trades? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. We have won 4 and lost this one here. So we lost $100, but we have made profits of 92, 89, 92, 73. If you add that, that's 92 plus 92, that's 184 plus 89. Okay, let's bring the calculator so you guys can just see that. Just type here good old Google calculator. So we have 92 plus 92 plus 89 plus 92 plus 92 plus 89 plus 73 plus 73. That's our total, $346 profit in less than, how many trades did we take? 5 trades. Each trade is a minute here, so that's 5 minutes. Okay, now let's say even if we took 10-15 minutes to get set up, so let's say 20 minutes. Okay, so if we do that in 1 hour, would be 20 minutes makes 346. To make 1 hour is times 3. You multiply that by 3. We are already at 1,038. That's why I'm saying we can make $1,000 in 1 hour just trading this simple moving average. Okay, $1,038 to be exact. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna end this video here, and then we're gonna share more of the results in our next training. Okay, so subscribe to the channel if you're watching this on YouTube. Okay, I'm going to jump in here. Okay, I did jump in there, okay, with a lot of trades. You can see 1, 2, 3, and it moved back because it's very risky, but I'm going to share these results with you guys at the end of, because I believe it's going to go down, okay? It will go down, and we're going to be in the money before the end of this. So I'm going to end this training here. May the Almighty be with you guys. Make sure you subscribe, share this with 5 of your friends, okay? Thank you so much. Have a good night.